What's up guys, welcome to your 7th Android tutorial again with me Nitesh, and in this tutorial we're gonna basically set up our Java completely to add to number. And for that uh, we set the reference by the find view id method to establish connection between Java and XML. And now we have to do uh, we have to do like addition. So whenever the user presses the sum button, then it should show a message showing the summation of both the numbers. So to do that, we have to set up a button. We have to make this thing happen by button. So our button is add. So I'm gonna type add dot set on click listener and select the first one. And it's basically whenever a user press the add button, it's gonna listen to that addition, and it's gonna do all the instruction that we're gonna put on the in this parenthesis basically. So to do this, every we have to say new, like view, because everything comes from the view class. Here the button is view, the text view is view, so we have to create a new view class. Let's go ahead and click on the first, and I'm gonna quickly put a semicolon over here. You can see it's basically a single line of code from here to like here. It's basically a single line of code for the most part. And to do this, we have to put a semicolon. And now in this to do method, just creating few space. And now we have to do, we have to extract the number that is being input by the user into a variable. mm, and by that variable we can use it for the summation. So I'm gonna say double, because double is a type of variable. We can also use like integer, because the number that is input by the integer is like integer like 1 or 3, 1 2 3 10. It can be 10.5. um, but if you want your app to put a summation of any floating value like 10.5 or 5.6 or something like that, so to do that you have to use double. So I'm gonna say double x. So in this variable x, I will store the number entered in the text field text field 1. So I'm gonna say equal to double dot phrase double. Right now I'm not gonna explain much of this. I will explain later on when we are completely done with this tutorial. And again, it's need the string as a parameter. So I'm gonna say text num1 get text, double click on it, to string, and that will extract the number input in the first text field to this variable name x. Same thing we're gonna do for the second value too. I'm gonna say this y, and the number is 2. Now to make the addition, we have to store the addition into a different variable. So I'm gonna create a new variable which says total, and which is equal to the summation of x and y. So x plus y semicolon. And now what we are almost done. We have to do a few more things, and now we have to display this text. And to display this, I'm gonna say display equal to no dot set text which is double quotation, sum is in space, and out of this I'm gonna say plus total and put a semicolon to complete. And now we are done with our Java for our first application. Just go ahead and save this, and to see whether it's working or not, just go on your package, right click on it, and run as Android application, and this will load the application on the emulator. Let's see, it's getting uploaded on the emulator, and yeah, we are done. And here it says enter to number, so I'm gonna enter to number 12, and in this I'm gonna enter 7, and when I hit on this add button, it should show summation as 19. And yeah, congratulations, you made your first application. It's showing correctly, and this is pretty awesome. You can put any number, decimal number, anything, and hit on this. Like I said, it will work for the decimal number too, and it is working perfectly, and it's awesome. I mean, you can do this for like whole day. So thanks again for watching, people. I see you guys in the next tutorial. And I'm gonna spend my rest of the day doing this. Okay, awesome.